Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into s to the power of 2 over 5. Next, this one multiplied by this one. So we have number 2 plus 2 over 5. So this one we have 12 over 5. Now, if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative on the power. So we have s to the power of negative number 12 over 5. Next, we have the formula in here. So we applied this formula. So we have s to the power of negative number 12 over 5 plus 1 over negative number 12 over 5 plus 1. And I will put about c. So this one we have negative 7 over 5. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.